Hello everybody, welcome back to CNS Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle, and I am finally back for my 12-day adventure in Belgium. So guys, I had a fantastic time overseas with a group of friends, some of whom I didn't know before the trip, and I made more friends when I was over there. But we had a core group of people that went over, and we visited so many beautiful places. We were in West Flanders, we visited Ypres and Bruges and Ghent and Antwerp and Hasselt. There were a bunch of places, bunch of cool breweries, bunch of old cathedrals. The architecture, the vibe, the food, of course, the beer were all fantastic. And I really enjoyed myself. Just turned off of the Corvette world. You know, as a matter of fact, I didn't see one Corvette the entire time I was in Belgium. I know we've got a lot of customers in Sweden and the Netherlands and in Germany, and a couple in France. I don't think I've ever sold a part to Belgium. I didn't see one Corvette, unfortunately, but it did help keep me isolated so I could really just enjoy my time and kind of shut off my brain and just be in full vacation mode. I can't tell you how beautiful the towns, especially of Bruges and Ghent, are. If you are ever going to Belgium, you need to spend some time in both of those cities. Belgium was fairly fortunate during, at least those two sections of Belgium were fairly fortunate between World War I and World War II, that they got taken over so quickly through the Blitzkrieg that there wasn't a need to destroy and bomb a lot of stuff. So many of those buildings are original from the 13, 14, 1500s. I actually spent time with a family who owns a brewery in near Hasselt, and that's in the eastern part of the country, and they live in a castle where the foundation was laid in 1282, and they're still living in it today. So very, very cool. They say that in Europe, 100 miles is a long way, and in America, 100 years is a long time. And when you actually spend a good amount of time there, you really see the difference. Thank you for the opportunity to get a break and go enjoy that. And I am returning to work now. I've been back since yesterday playing catch-up ball. If you are waiting for emails or you are waiting from any kind of communication from me, I'm getting caught up. I'm almost caught up with emails. I think I've got some phone calls I need to return, but I will get to you. And we will be returning to our normal filming schedule starting next week. We'll be doing 2 or 3 videos next week and get right back into the Corvette roll of things. So happy to be back. Happy to have had a break. Thank you to everybody here who did such a great job of taking care of the company and you in my absence. Blake did a great job, so very happy. Thanks.